You cannot play better than the sound you imagine. Technique follows sound. It's never the other way around. If you don't know what you want to sound like, technique has no direction. Sound concept, it's not equipment, not mouthpiece, not brand, not instrument. Those only amplify what's already there. Sound concept is identity, it's vision, it's knowing what beautiful means to you. A very important rule, listen to the greats. You won't be able to build a sound you haven't heard. Listen to the greats. A lot. Don't listen for notes. Listen for color. Listen for weight. Listen for space. Imitation is not copying. It's actually learning the language. Think about it. We learn how to walk by imitating others. Sound concept is your limit. You cannot grow past it. You can grow into it. If your sound changes every day, your concept is not clear enough. Decide what you want to sound like. Everything else will follow. Next, we'll talk about repertoire. Why music teaches faster than exercises.